Let me ask you an important question. Are you sick and tired of promoting affiliate offers just like the other 5 billion people on this planet? Are you sick and tired of hearing the words such as scammy or spammy from random people on the internet and even your friends? Are you sick and tired of having your Facebook ad account banned for frivolous reasons? How would you feel if you can make people happy by providing high quality products and services that they truly enjoy? How would you like to be respected and even revered for being a person of the highest integrity and value? How would you like it if you could find inner peace in this chaotic world? Well, in that case, I have some great news for you, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super effective way to promote affiliate marketing offers that not only provide an immense value to your users, but also puts a decent amount of money in your pocket as well. Today, you're going to learn how to save the world with affiliate marketing. After this presentation, you'll never view affiliate marketing the same way ever again. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about a very advanced method with affiliate marketing. This is called guerrilla marketing. And this is a method I've never talked about before. And frankly, I don't even know if I wanted to reveal this method because it's so very powerful. And this is a brand new method. I've never talked about this on this channel. I have never talked about anything even remotely close to this method on this channel. And so you're going to get a lot of value. And especially if you implement this method in some way, shape, or form, you're going to get tremendous value out of this method to your affiliate marketing offers. Now, before we get into the training, I just want to let you know that if you like CPA marketing, if you like affiliate marketing, if you like make money online, that you want to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we have daily videos every single day. We have a video about a brand new method to promote CPA or affiliate marketing offers. We also talk about entrepreneurship, making money online, hustling, all kinds of methods such as side hustling and things like that. So you definitely want to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you do not miss any future videos. Having said that, let's get into the method. All right, so I want to bring your attention to a website here. And this is a website called Instant Domain Search. And I don't know if you heard about this website. This is a great website. If you are, basically looking to register a domain and you're not sure if that domain is taken or not. So, for instance, let's say I wanna register Microsoft, and I basically type Microsoft, and right away it tells me that Microsoft is taken.com. All of these is basically taken, but it's giving me some generating. It's giving me some ideas here. It's telling me Microsoft ED education.com is available, Microsoft Art. So it's generating ideas, and if I scroll down, I see a lot of ideas, and then it's basically on the right hand side it's telling me for sale, right? So this is a really nice way to basically see if the website, if the domain you want to register is available or not. And this is how I pretty much register all my domains, right? So let's say I'm building a new site about VPN services, right? Something that I talked about in yesterday's video. And I want to register a domain, something called VPN products reviews, something like this. And right away it's telling me that this domain is available. I can maybe even say product reviews. It's also available. And this is a cool domain. I can buy this. I can basically click on this and I can buy this at GoDaddy, at domain.com, Shopify, or Namecheap, okay? And so what I really like about this tool is that it makes things a lot easier. This is called instantdomainsearch.com. And what it allows me to do is that as I'm typing, it's basically generating a list, which is something that you can't really do at domain registers, right? With domain registers, you have to go there, you have to basically type, you have to click enter. It's a little bit of a slower process. Here it's very quick, and they have lots of different extensions. It's not only .com, it's not only .net. They have a domain generator, they have for sale, expired domain, hot, and all the things. And when I think about this tool provides me a lot of value. And the second benefit is it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free, but there is a catch. This tool makes money for whoever created it. And the reason it makes money is because let's say I wanna register VPN product reviews.com. When I click on this, buy at GoDaddy, buy at Domain, buy at Shopify, buy at Namecheap, it's gonna redirect me using an affiliate link. Okay, so this site, this whole site, its objective here is to help me, to provide value to me, do it for free. This is completely free. I'm not charged. There's no $5 a month charge here, or I don't have to pay a lifetime subscription to the service or anything like that. But whenever I do register, if I decide to register, I have to, it's going to be an affiliate link. So they're going to be making money every time they're going to be sending me off to a domain register. And this is a great, great way with affiliate marketing, right? This is an amazing product. And I don't know how many times I basically registered domains. And so I don't even know how much money I made for this person. But rest assured, this site gets a lot of traffic. And the people that built this site, they're making a lot of money with affiliate commissions. And so this is the first example I want to show you of guerrilla marketing, because when you create a site like this or a service in very similar, it doesn't need to be exactly like this, you're not going to be promoting registering at GoDaddy, domain, Shopify. You're not going to spam your Namecheap affiliate link or your GoDaddy affiliate link all over the place. You're going to be promoting this site, and this site is nothing but value. It's a quality site. Nobody's forcing me to register a domain. I can basically just do research and not register. And so the key here is that when you're going to be promoting your affiliate offers, you're not going to be promoting the affiliate offers. You're going to be promoting this site, right? And this is where the value is. And this is an amazing site. And for a long time, I thought about building something similar because I wanted to promote different affiliate programs using a site like this. And what I realized is that you don't really need to build the site. You can actually buy a script that basically does this for you and more, right? So if I basically go to a really nice place called Envato Market, you can actually buy a script that does this, right? If you type instant domain search, and Envato Market is basically a marketplace, really good one from Envato, and they have a lot of, you could buy scripts, you can buy WordPress themes, plugins, a lot of these little tools. I mean, you can't buy like a huge database, huge app. But if you want to buy some like PHP scripts, WordPress, e-commerce, JavaScript, you can buy this here. And what I did, I basically typed instant domain search, and I have a script, right? Actually, I have two scripts, right? This one has 422 sales. It's $15. This one has 39. This one is $39 and has 17 sales, right? This was last updated 2018. This one is 2020. So this one is newer. It's a little bit more expensive, but this is a domain search tool. It's not going to change a whole lot over the years. It's the same thing. So this one could be a good tool as well. So it's really up to you. So you can go ahead and purchase this, and you can host it on your site with a host like Bluehost that you can basically get through my affiliate link. And this is an amazing thing, because if we go back to our affiliate marketing kind of diagram here, right? Affiliate marketing is about bringing a visitor and getting them to take an action, right? It's about getting them to take an action. But, the problem with a lot of these affiliate marketing is that we're basically going out and we're spamming our affiliate links all over the internet. We're also buying traffic, which is good, but we're redirecting them to a landing page that's trying to sell. And that's good. But it's going to be a lot more effective if you provide a lot of value up front. And then they have no choice but to go out and actually use your affiliate link. And so with this kind of diagram, what we're doing is we're building a bigger buffer, right? We're the affiliate here, we have the traffic source. And in this case, I basically went on instant domain search. I know that site already, right? So I'm like a repeat visitor. And as a result, I can basically, I constantly go there. But I think initially I discovered it through Google or something, right? So I basically came through Google Organic SEO. I typed here, I went here, and I'm using it. And this is a great tool. One of the biggest advantages of this tool is, like I said before, is that you can go out, you could spam it all over the place. Hey guys, use this tool. Nobody's going to accuse you of, taking affiliate marketing too far, because this is an amazing tool. The second app I want to show you is Goodreads, right? Goodreads, I don't know if you heard of it or not. This is basically a site where people review various books. And this is a great site. It's basically a community, right? It takes the whole concept a little bit further. And this is a great site all in itself. This is a quality site. And every book here, right? If you go in here, so I'm on this book, just some random book I basically clicked on, and I see reviews, I have ratings, I have 3,000 ratings, 500 reviews, I have people basically reviewing it. But if I want to buy it, regardless whether I like it or not, I can basically click on Amazon, and this is going to be an affiliate link. All of these are going to be affiliate links. Okay, so the site is really a standalone product, right? It's a standalone product that people can use. People can type, but if they want to go buy it, they go to the next step. Okay, I'm ready to buy. I'm ready to register the domain name. They can basically go and there's an affiliate link. There's an affiliate commission, affiliate transaction that happens, and they get a result. The third site I want to show you is Ubersuggest. And this is a site that I showed you a couple of times before when I was doing SEO products, SEO searches, SEO kind of research. And this is a tool, this was a standalone tool before, and it was purchased by Neil Patel, which is like a big personality when it comes to SEO, kind of SEO products, SEO research, and things like that. And he basically purchased this tool, and right now it's free, but he has like a paid plan, right? If you go into pricing, you can basically learn about their paid plans, which is a little bit more searches, a little bit more things, and this is a paid plan. But if you just want to do basic searches, it's free. And this tool works the same way, is that it's doing it for free. It's a tool I can basically recommend. It has enough free features. Same thing with, this tool. It has free features. It's a fully standalone tool. But if you want to do something, if you want to, actually, buy the domain or register or do something else, it costs money. In this case, the user is coming directly to him. Okay, but in another situation, we have another tool. This is the keyword generator from Ahrefs, and this is a free tool. You can basically enter your keyword, you can find keywords, and once you're ready to go further, they can send you an affiliate offer to sign up for another service. In this case, they basically build their own tool. So this is a company. It's like GoDaddy building their own domain research tool that you can you find domains, instant domain search from GoDaddy, and then when you're done you can basically buy a domain. In this case, they build this tool for their own use, but you don't need to be Ahrefs, you don't need to be a big SEO company in order to build this tool for your own use. You can actually build this tool yourself and send the traffic to an affiliate program by Ahrefs or another SEO provider. For instance, if we go back to Envato Market and we type keyword tool, you have keyword tools, right? Google related keyword generator, keyword linking for WordPress, right? You can basically host this tool and say, hey, do you guys want more searches? Click here and sign up for Ahrefs, or sign up for Keyword Tool IO, or sign up for Mango Tools. There's a lot of tools, and they have really nice affiliate programs, right? This is another benefit. But if they don't want to sign up, then they can just keep using this tool for free, which is kind of what we want, right? Another example I want to show you is this generate a secure password tool, right? This is from LastPass. And as the case happens to be, I don't use LastPass personally, but from time to time, I need to basically generate a secure password. Okay, I can basically go here. I want 20 characters. I can basically regenerate and I can copy it. And this is a really, really nice tool. And this is a standalone tool. Like I generate a secure password whenever I basically sign up for a new service, right? It just makes things a lot easier. It's a more secure password as opposed to me kind of creating it myself, right? I let the computer generate it. And so basically, here's the tool. I basically type the password length that I want. I have, I can basically, and it automatically generates it. So I can basically do 50 characters or something like 32 characters or, even like 25 characters. And I have a really nice unguessable password. But this is basically a tool that's used as a lead for people for this company LastPass to get more customers. But again, you don't need to be LastPass to basically, create this tool and provide leads for them, right? You can basically go to Envato again, and you could type password generator, and we have all these tools. Look at this: $13, 5 stars, $8, $12, $6, right? $20, $12, $23, right? You can basically create a tool like this, host it on Bluehost, and then send leads to 1Password, which has an affiliate program, right? Become a 1Password affiliate, get paid to promote the world's most love password manager, and they have an affiliate program, and you can basically learn what their terms are and things like that. I'm sure LastPass has an affiliate program. All of these people have affiliate programs, but instead of basically signing up for that program, we can basically create a product that people can use, that people can promote, that people could keep repeating to, going back to that tool over and over again, like with this instant domain search. I found it once and now I'm using it all the time, and I like a domain. I go and I basically register it at whichever register that I prefer, and they get a commission. And this is a really, really good way. And this is called guerrilla marketing, right? We are marketing the intermediary product. We're not making money off this product. We're making money off the commissions. And this is available across pretty much anything, right? You can even, if you are doing dating, right, you can create a quiz, right? Find your perfect mate, and you can code it yourself. You can hire somebody to code it, or you can go on, a place like Envato, and there's a lot of other places, but I happen to like Envato, and you can basically type something like some kind of a quiz or dating quiz or etc., and you can host it, you can promote it. That quiz is gonna go viral, and if they want to sign up for Match.com or some other service, you're gonna get a commission, right? So this could be done across all verticals, across areas, across everything. The only thing you really need is you need a website. You need to host it somewhere. And for that, I highly recommend Bluehost. Is the easiest ways to get started, is the easiest way to build a website. You can build multiple websites. They give you a free SSL certificate. They give you free WordPress install. It's super, super easy. If you want to get started, you can sign up using my link below. I host all my sites, almost all my sites. I'm moving back some of the other sites from other registrars back to Bluehost. I'm hosting them there. I really, really love them. And so you can do that. And then you can basically go out and purchase an $8 password generator. You can basically promote it in Facebook groups. Hey guys, you need a password generator. Here's my password. And you will never be accused of being, like a rogue affiliate marketer. You will never be accused of somebody who is trying to profit of people, because they don't need to actually, they don't need to basically go out and use, basically sign up for the affiliate offer. They can keep using this tool. And so this is why I really like this method. And there's all kinds of ways to promote pretty much any kind of offer that you want. You name it. There are tools like this, there are apps like this all over the place. You just need to pick a vertical, and then you'll be able to find a tool and you can host it. You can basically go on Fiverr, you can find a programmer on there, or you can basically go on a place like Upwork, you can code it, or what I recommend is just go to Envato Market and basically buy a tool like this, and then you can basically generate a lot of affiliate offer commissions. All right, guys, so this is the method I wanted to show you. I can keep going. There's a lot of methods. There's a lot of tools that you can basically download, a lot of examples. And so I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to show you how this works, okay? And this is something that I'm using in a couple of niches, and I am planning on using this even more in some of the other verticals as well. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a comment below. Let me know if you enjoy this method. This is a super, super advanced method. A lot of people don't do it because it requires a little bit of work. It does, but it's a much more advanced method. And the biggest benefit is that it's a lot easier to promote this tool on free traffic sources, or you can even run ads to it. And you can run Facebook ads with no issues because it's your own tool. It's not an affiliate product. And then you can basically make affiliate commissions in the backend. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more videos such as this one, a lot of these advanced methods, then make sure you leave a like on this video. I want to see at least 100, 150 likes today so that I know you guys are interested in more of this kind of content. And also, if you have any questions, you're interested in promoting a certain vertical, you don't know if there's a tool for that, maybe you searched around, you couldn't find anything, leave a comment below, let me know, and I will try to help you out. All right, guys, so once again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, it really does help. And I will see you tomorrow with a brand new method.